Are you over 40 and thinking it's too late to start an online business? Think again. It's the perfect time to take advantage of your life experience and start earning online. In this video, I'm going to break down some low risk, low cost online businesses that are perfect for you. Stay tuned until the end for a special resource that can help you get started right away. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into it. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is freelance writing or copywriting. Freelance writing is one of the easiest online businesses to get into, especially if you enjoy crafting words. Many businesses need content for their blogs, their websites, and other marketing materials, and they're willing to pay for it. You can start on platforms like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, offering your services that range from blog posts all the way through to advert copy. Now, to help you stand out, I recommend that you focus on a niche that leverages your life experience. For example, if you've worked in healthcare, specialise in writing for health-related businesses. A strong portfolio with a few solid samples is enough to start landing jobs, even without much previous freelance experience. And the best part, you can start this with virtually no upfront costs at all. All you need is a computer, good internet access, and the ability to deliver on tight deadlines. Once you gain a few clients, word of mouth will help you to grow from there. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is online coaching or consulting. If you've spent years developing some expertise and some good knowledge in any area, whether it's business, career development, or even a hobby like photography, you could start offering online coaching or consulting services in this area. With tools like Zoom or Google Meet, you can coach people from anywhere in the world. I recommend that you start by identifying a specific problem that you can solve. For example, you could offer career coaching for people trying to switch fields, or business consulting for small startups. Packages that include multiple sessions are a great way to secure recurring revenue, making it much easier to stabilise your income. Now, to help you market yourself, I recommend that you begin by creating content around your expertise, like blog posts or short YouTube videos. This helps potential clients see your value before they even reach out to you in the first place. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great business model for people over 40 who don't want to deal with product creation or inventory management. Essentially, you promote other people's products and services and earn a commission on any sales made. It's a low-cost way to generate passive income if done right. I recommend that you start by choosing products that align with your interests and that have a high demand in the marketplace. For example, if you have a background in fitness, you could promote fitness equipment, nutrition products, or even online courses through platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. The key to success and getting good results in affiliate marketing is content creation. I recommend that you write blog posts, create videos, or you can even share good reviews on social media that highlights the essential benefits of the products that you are promoting to your audience. The more value that you provide, the higher your chances of making commissions. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is online course creation. With platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi, creating and selling an online course has never been easier for the average person. This is ideal if you have expertise in a specific area, such as digital marketing, project management, or even a creative hobby like painting or writing. I recommend that you start by choosing a niche that's both profitable and something that you're passionate about, and something that has a high demand in the marketplace. For example, if you have years of experience in corporate training, you could create a course on communication skills for professionals. I suggest that you outline your online course with modules, recording highly engaging videos, and upload your course for sale. The upfront investment is minimal, mostly time and effort to create the course. Once it's live, it can generate passive income for months or even years, with occasional updates to keep it highly relevant for the audience that you're selling it to. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand businesses allow you to sell custom products without the need to hold any inventory. You simply upload designs to products like t-shirts, mugs, or even notebooks, and when someone orders, the item is then printed and shipped by a third-party provider like Printful or Redbubble. This business model is great for creative types, especially if you have some design skills or a unique sense of humour that could translate into catchy slogans or even designs. You can start by creating a store on Etsy or even use Shopify. Then I recommend you market your products through social media such as Instagram and TikTok and use paid ads. The low risk nature of print on demand lies in the fact that you only pay for the product after you make a sale, so there's no need to worry about unsold inventory. I suggest that you focus on targeting specific niches to maximise your chances of getting good results, such as pet lovers, teachers, or even sports fans. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are in high demand as more entrepreneurs and small businesses move their businesses online. Now, as a VA, you can offer services like email management, social media scheduling, customer support, or you could even do bookkeeping. The work is very flexible and can be tailored to your strengths. This is a perfect business for those with strong organisation skills or administrative experience. I recommend that you start by offering a few core services and grow your offerings as you start to gain more clients. Platforms like Belay or Zirtual can help you to connect with businesses in need of your services. You can set your rates based on your expertise and the complexity of the tasks that you handle. Many VAs eventually specialise in higher level tasks, such as managing launches or handling complex project management, which can lead to higher rates and more lucrative clients. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is dropshipping. Dropshipping is another low-risk online business model where you sell products directly to consumers without handling any inventory. When someone makes a purchase, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't pay for the product until it sells, which minimises the financial risk for you. I recommend that you choose a niche that you're familiar with or passionate about, and something that has a lot of demand in the marketplace, such as eco-friendly products, pet supplies, or tech gadgets. I also suggest that you research suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Alibaba, or Oberlo, and set up a store through Shopify or use something like WooCommerce. Now, to help you attract customers, I suggest that you invest in digital marketing strategies like social media advertising or SEO, which is search engine optimization. I also recommend that you make sure to offer excellent customer service to build a reputation for your brand. This will help you to stand out in a competitive market. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is vlogging or blogging. Blogging and vlogging are great for anyone who enjoys sharing knowledge or stories with others. You can monetize a blog or a YouTube channel through ad revenue, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. I recommend that you choose a topic that excites you and that people are actively searching for, whether it's personal finance, health, weight loss, travel, or DIY crafts. I then recommend that you commit to creating consistent, high quality content that provides great value to your audience. You can use tools like the Google Keyword Planner or Answer the Public or Ubersuggest to find out what people are actively searching for within your niche. Building an audience takes some time, but with some persistence, you can turn your blog or YouTube channel into a profitable business. I recommend that you start small, and as your audience begins to grow, I recommend that you diversify your income streams to include things like ebooks or online courses. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is subscription box service. Subscription boxes are an increasingly popular online business model, and they offer a great opportunity to create products for a specific niche. Whether it's fitness gear, gourmet snacks, or self-care products, you can create a monthly delivery service that keeps customers coming back. The idea is to curate items that your customers can't easily find themselves. I recommend that you start small by sourcing products from local businesses or wholesalers and focus on a niche that you're passionate about. For instance, you could create a subscription box that caters to busy professionals who want easy and healthy meal options. You can use platforms like Cratejoy to host your subscription business and reach a broader audience. Now, because subscription services run on recurring payments, they can provide a steady and predictable income stream. Over time, you can adjust the offerings based on customer feedback to increase satisfaction and retention. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is niche membership community. Creating a paid membership community is a powerful way to monetize your knowledge and your experience, while also providing ongoing value to your audience. You can build a private community around virtually any niche, such as personal growth, personal development, hobbyists, or even business networking. Members will then pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content, webinars, and group discussions. I recommend that you start by selecting a platform like Patreon, Mighty Networks, or even using a Facebook group to host your community. I then suggest you focus on delivering consistent value, whether it's through expert Q&A sessions, exclusive content, or peer support. For example, if you have experience in investing, you could offer a membership group that provides monthly stock analysis, investment strategies, and even market insights. The beauty of a membership community is that it allows you to generate recurring revenue, whilst fostering a loyal and engaged audience. As your community grows, you can scale the value you provide and increase your membership tiers. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and training resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.